sound do you make?
Like octopus.
Octopus. You.
Hey, you.
What sound do you make?
Like umbrella.
Umbrella. AEIOU. Thank you for watching. If you had a favorite part of the video, please put it in the comments below. I can't wait to read it. And remember, hit that subscribe and ding that bell, because you don't want to miss any of the videos coming out from Banyan Global Learning. Thanks a lot, guys.